Introducing the world's first smart nutrient extractor, nutribullet Balance. Balance isn't smart just to be smart. It's smart to help you transform your health faster and easier. It connects to an app on your smart device. When you're making a smoothie, the smart sensor sends nutritional information in real time for every ingredient, so you can see the calories, fat, carbs, protein, and more that go into every smoothie. The app also features hundreds of customized recipes, and you can sort them according to your wellness goals. So if you're diabetic, low-sugar paleo, or just want more daily energy, you'll only get recipes that match your particular needs. So why is all of this a big deal? Because it can make a real difference in your life. Studies have shown that substituting one meal a day for a healthy smoothie can lead to real health benefits, and there's nothing smarter than that. nutribullet Balance. It's not just about smart technology. It's about what smarter technology can do for you.